Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in VIVO Y17. So let's start from the Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus, that's it. Then next on Firefox. Sorry, I have to press the setup, open the new tab and click on the Zero Mask, that's it. Then next on Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon and choose Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.